Hey guys, it's Kat. So I just added a new page to my website. It's Lightroom Presets. So these are settings that I use on my images to help me edit faster and especially edit a batch of images faster. If you don't know what Lightroom presets are or how they work, I'm going to show you how to create them, import and export them to your computer, and apply them really simply to your images. So thanks for tagging along, and let's get into it.
Okay, so first you need to acquire some presets. You can do that by going to my website or someone else's website where you can download presets. Make sure you subscribe when you come to my website. If you do, to my email list. It's not popping up for me now. It'll pop up because you're new to my website if you're new. But then hit the presets tab and you'll be able to see the presets that I have. One is called Night Lights. It's just for editing night sky photos. One is called Brighten My Day. It just edits general brightening and contrast kind of editing. And then one is Sunrise Sunset, and it helps with the golden hour lighting, really throwing some color into the sky, making your images pop that you take in the during dawn and dusk hours. So choose one, two, all of these, click buy now, add them to your cart, check out, and they will go to your downloads file. Mine are not in my downloads file. I have them in presets here, so what you can do is just double click whatever you want to use. It'll say, would you like to install? You click install, and then you can open Lightroom. And for this purpose, I'm going to use this lighthouse preset. So this is an image that I took a couple days ago during sunset. I was just waiting for the stars to come out so I could shoot the stars. This is in Point Judith, Rhode Island, and you'll see on the left when I'm scrolling down all the different effects in the top left-hand corner that it's putting on the image. And some of them look kind of funky, some of them look kind of cool. So you can see, when I do an edit that I like, I usually save it as a preset, and that way I can see if something I've done in the past works, and I can keep my style fairly consistent that way. So for this purpose, I'm going to choose this lighthouse preset and click on it. And then you can see it's made all of these adjustments over here on the right side of the page. And I can edit any of those still. I don't have to leave it as it is. In fact, I don't really like that pink in the clouds there. It kind of looks unnatural to me, and I think that's causing it. So I'm going to back that down a little bit. Really like everything else. I suppose I could add like a bit more contrast in my S-curve. But yeah, I generally like everything else. I might bring this blue down a tiny bit. And then you can see here in the before and after what adding that preset has done. It's really made the image brighter and look cooler, and really the lighthouse pops, the lighting looks better, the sky looks nicer. So yeah, here's a bunch of different versions of before and after. Now, let's say I wanted to export this preset. I could go over to Lighthouse here, right click it, or hit Control click if you're on a Mac like I am, and just choose export. And then I would export it into my presets folder, hit save, and it'll be wherever you save it. So yeah, I think this is a really cool way to apply the same effect to a lot of images to keep your style consistent, and it just really simplifies editing. It makes it quick and easy. If you're looking to edit images in the style that I edit mine, you can download my presets. If you're looking to edit images in someone else's style, you can go see if they have or offer presets. So it's just kind of a fun way to play with editing.
Thanks for watching. I hope you guys learned something. As always, let me know in the comments below what you want to learn about. Right now, I'm doing an editing series, and I edit almost exclusively using Lightroom. I just recommend it for speed and efficiency, and so that's mostly what I'm going to cover. But yeah, make sure to subscribe, leave a comment below, and I'll see you next week.